speaker is loud. And by loud, I'm talking 80 watts of every bass kind of loud. So this is Oraimo's SpaceBox Pro. But obviously, loud isn't necessarily everything. So let's talk about what is really good about this speaker, the things you might not really like, and who this speaker is actually for. But first, let's unbox it. And the unboxing is pretty straightforward. You are immediately greeted by the speaker itself, which we'll get to in a couple of seconds. Oraimo also included a shoulder strap for the speaker. Now it's thick and it just feels very durable, and trust me, it will come in handy when you try to carry this speaker, everywhere. You also have a USB-C charging cable, and guys, you're going to need it for the fast charging feature of the speaker. And that is pretty much it. Now, do you notice that there's no wall adapter in the box? And to use the advertised 2-hour fast charge, which Oraimo claims, you would actually need to supply your own powerful enough USB-C wall plug. But yeah, let's move back to the speaker. And guys, my first impression is that it feels very solid and well built, but it is not heavy at all. As you can see, I can comfortably hold it in one hand. But yeah, the front of the speaker is all metal grills, and at the end, you have durable rubberized plastic. Now on top, you have the control panel, and this houses buttons like your power button, your Bluetooth, your play and pause button, and other buttons as well. And here at the side, that's here, you have this thick rubber flap that houses all the ports. Now, when you open it, you can actually see the USB-C port for charging the speaker, a USB-A output port, a 3.5mm mic input for karaoke, and an aux port, and you even have a TF card slot for offline music playback. Now, the flap is actually my first build quality concern. I think it's my only build quality concern. Don't get me wrong, it actually does the job now, but I have concerns about how long it's going to last after, say, 1 year. But other than that, this looks really premium and very durable. And yeah, you also get an IPX4 splash resistance. Now, what this means is that this should be able to survive water splashes or small rains, but please don't try dropping this in water if you do not want to say goodbye to it. Now, there's one unique feature that I love about the SpaceBox, and that is, yes, the LED light panel on the front. I like how it covers up everywhere, but more importantly, I love the fact that this thing reacts to your music, and you can even customize it further in the Oraimo Sound app. For example, you can change the colors, you can change the patterns, and you can switch them off if you're not a fan of disco lights. But why are you not a fan of disco lights? Now let's move to the sound, as this is the biggest selling point of the SpaceBox Pro. Remember, I said it comes with an 80-watt heavy bass, so let me break that down. In terms of features, Oraimo packed the SpaceBox Pro with a 4-inch subwoofer for low ends, two 2-inch tweeters for the highs, and dual passive radiators for that extra punch. So the strengths are undeniable, guys. The bass is massive, it's deep, it's punchy, and can physically fill a room if you want it to. Now, they've also added a 2.1 channel surround sound that can actually make the audio feel wider. So if you are the type of person that like hip hop, you like EDM, or any bass heavy music, this speaker is an absolute beast. I feel like it creates a wide immersive sound stage that is impressive for the price that it sits in. But there's one thing I also noticed, and that's the fact that at full blast, the highs can get a bit sharp and the bass is not quite as tight. So when you play music that is really complex, like a classic rock song with layered instruments, and then you crank the volume to 100, the sound can get a little muddled, and by that I mean it might not be as clear and separated as what you get on an expensive speaker. By the way, if one speaker is not enough, right, you can actually use the TWS feature to pair two space boxes together to get a lot of loudness, although I think one speaker can be enough for you. But yeah, with that said, one tip that I've been using for indoor use with my speakers is to place them near a wall. Now once you do that, the bass actually bounces back and it makes it feel deeper without even touching the volume. But beyond the sound, the SpaceBox Pro has got features that are quite useful. For example, it uses Bluetooth 5.4, which basically means quick pairing and a pretty stable connection. But if Bluetooth is not your thing, you can actually go old school and plug in through the aux. You can also plug into your USB port or even a memory card. Now, another feature that I love about this speaker that I can't find on any other speaker, even the more expensive speakers that I have, is the karaoke function. So this actually doubles up as a karaoke machine and it's a lot of fun. Now once you plug in a mic that you have to buy yourself, because Oraimo did not include anyone here, but yeah, once you plug in a mic, it turns the speaker into a mini karaoke machine, and I must say it works really well.
You are my fire, the one desire.
Plus, if you want to, you can actually use the app to get more controls. For example, you can add reverb to your voice and adjust how loud the mic is compared to the music. But away from that fun stuff, let's talk about battery life. How long does this thing last? In normal mode, the SpaceBox Pro can last up to 13 to 20 hours. And if you activate the playtime boost mode on the Oraimo app, that's this one, you can actually extend the playback to about 24 to 27 hours. But in my real world use, and that's with maximum volume and the lights turned on, you're looking at around 8 to 10 hours. Now, if you ask me, I'd say it's still quite solid for something that is very loud. But charging is where this speaker is actually very impressive. So remember I told you at the beginning? So yes, in just 2 hours, you can charge this from 0 to 100. And if you want to, this SpaceBox Pro can double up as a 10-watt power bank to charge your phone, which I think is a brilliant emergency feature. Although, bear in mind that if you are playing music and charging your phone at the same time, obviously the speaker's battery is going to drain faster. By the way, remember I mentioned the app and how you can do a lot of stuff on it? Well, you can also control a few things as well from the Oraimo Sound app. For example, you can control the EQ, you can control the playtime boost, and this one basically means that you can boost the volume while making it consume less battery. Now the question is, how much does this cost? Well, this costs around 127,000 naira. And I guess the next question is, who is this for? Personally, right, I think that this is for anyone who wants a feature-packed, loud audio powerhouse that would not necessarily damage their bank account. And aside from that, it's for someone that wants extra features, like the karaoke, like the lights, without necessarily spending so much. So if that is you, then I think you should get the SpaceBox Pro. But with that said, what do you guys think of the SpaceBox Pro from Oraimo? And for those who are interested in checking it out, you can actually find it on Oraimo's store app, or you can just visit their website. And guess what? If you use my code, this one right here, yeah, you get discount as well. But yeah, let me know what you think about this speaker. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you later, guys. Bye.